is a leading supplier of fully integrated drivetrain and electrified propulsion systems for nearly anything that moves. Working together with original equipment manufacturers and the aftermarket, we focus on delivering best-in-class efficiency, maximum durability, and superior performance across the globe. For more than a century, the Spicer name has been built on a legacy of innovation, offering drivetrain solutions for cars, commercial vehicles, off-highway machines, military vehicles, and those adapted for high-performance applications. A significant piece of that business is drive shafts, and those are manufactured in Dana facilities around the world. Every Spicer aftermarket drive shaft is designed and produced to the same exacting standards as specified by original equipment manufacturers, enabling the aftermarket to deliver genuine OE quality Spicer replacement components.
Founded in 1958, TruckPro LLC is a leading distributor of heavy-duty truck and trailer products and advanced repair services. Through a distribution network of more than 150 stores and advanced service shops, TruckPro delivers a comprehensive range of products to the heavy-duty aftermarket. Whether you need to walk into one of our locations or shop for parts online to access over 4 million SKUs on truckpro.com, we have what you need to keep you on the road.
Building on our company theme, People Finding a Better Way, we recognize the need for a drive shaft solution that improves uptime for our commercial vehicle customers and solved inventory issues for our resellers. The program, called ReadyShaft, launched in April 2021 as a way for Dana to provide a complete, genuine Spicer drive shaft replacement option, shipped next day for our independent and OES dealer customers.
TruckPro has been supporting the Spicer ReadyShaft program since its inception. We knew that this program would benefit both TruckPro and Dana, and most importantly, our customers.
During discussion with TruckPro, we uncovered that the drive shaft part number was not always present or visible due to corrosion, wear and tear, or the original tag was removed or had fallen off. This was a contributing factor that led to the design of the Dana Easy ID application, which drills down through any number of 10,000 part combinations to specify a ReadyShaft unit for the ease of order placement and fitment. The Dana Easy ID tool uses a series of measurement methods and visual part attribute identification in conjunction with the drop-down menus to drill down to a specific ReadyShaft part number based on the inputs from the technician into the application. The Dana Easy ID tool was launched in December 28, 2022 and has over 7,000 page views on danaaftermarket.com. The campaign to announce the application is still rolling out. However, training and webinar materials were pushed out to educate our internal team and TruckPro in early 2023.
Since the launch of the Dana Easy ID tool, TruckPro has seen an increase in complete drive shaft sales. This tool has really expanded TruckPro's capabilities in servicing complete drive shaft assemblies in all of our locations.
We feel that this project has strengthened the relationship with our independent distributors, including TruckPro, as the Dana Easy ID tool reduces the complexity in speccing and delivering a high-quality drive shaft solution made with genuine Spicer parts with more than 100 years of brand promise and peace of mind for Driveline customers.
This really demonstrated Dana's commitment to people finding a better way.